This is a shur on Tefilla. We got Tachanon, and we said that on Monday and Thursday we say longer Tachanon because there are the days of Rahamim, Mitzvah Pshat, Mitzvah Kabbalah, there's period of Din. We are davening that the Din should be with Rahamim, with mercy. Therefore now we got to the Tachanon of Tamahnu Mera'ot. Now if you notice, Tamahnu Mera'ot starts with Tav and it goes till Alef. The first that we said, Hashemuna Abadu, that we start from Alef to Tav. But this one goes from Tav to Alef. Now we're going to see why and what is it talking about. First we say we wandered from the Ra'ot, from the bad things that happens, or weakened our strength from all of the trouble things. We bent over extremely, we degraded till offer, till the ground. Hashem, merciful. That's our nature. We are stubborn and rebellious we are. So we cry out with our mouth. We sin. Our heart is stubborn and is twisted. We say chatanu, but our heart is not there, our heart is stubborn. Elyon rahamecha me'olam, Hashem, your mercies are from forever. Forgiveness is with you. Please regret on the evil. Matek rape chesed, turn toward chesed, kindness, and don't hide yourself. That is times of sorrow. Great sorrow. Everybody knows your tucha and your kindness with us. Please close the mouth of Satan. That you should not accuse us. Be angry on him. And he falls silent. Ya'amud and rise up, the good advocate, good for all to justify us. They perform our honesty. Your ways are merciful and gracious. You showed it to the trusted one of your house, when he asked from you, your faithfulness you have shown to him. That's before Vaya'avor, we say this. Now, basically, what are we saying? We are saying that things that happen from Shamayim, the tragedies, the troubles that we have, we got no koach, we don't know strength, we got nothing, we are at the offer, we are being destroyed. Therefore, we are coming to you that you should help us. Very interesting. Therefore, after saying, oh no, we're saying this thing, now we want to meet all Rachamim. Now, in Hashemuna Abadu, we said that we're going to be relying on Hashemuna, trustworthy people. And we don't have them. It's the last week, from Alef to Tav, that says Alef to Tav means that those people that they learn or they grow in Alef of Torah, and they learn Torah, we rely on them, and you accepted their tefillot, and you nullified the decrees because of them, we can't rely on them. Now, we are going different angle. We are telling what's happening to us? Our life is full of troubles, it's full of tragedies. Now we have Rahmanut because we are being destroyed. Have Rahmanut on us. Rachem, please. Don't hide yourself. We are coming with the angle that, it's being troublesome. We can't take it anymore. We degraded till offer. All of our strength weakened. We got nothing. We are on the ground. We are on the floor. We don't have anything. The only thing that we have. Please close up the mouth of Satan. Don't get him touch more. And you show you given mitzvot to Moshe. Please have Rahman. Now, therefore, we are talking about the way that Shamayim deals with us. All of this sorrow, of course, we are responsible for it. But the sorrow that came to us, we don't know power. Have Rahmanut, what should we do? We are being lost. Therefore, this is the way we try to awaken the Rahamim of Shamayim. Therefore, that's why it's from top to Alef like this. In other words, if you imagine Alef from the earth gets top to Shamayim. Whenever we are talking about the way that we are dealing from earth to the Shamayim is Alef Tav. But whenever that you are talking about Shamayim dealing with us, it's Tav to Alef. The Shamayim is Tav, gets to Alef. For example, Tefilla of Musaf of Shabbat starts with Tav to Alef. All of the Tefillot, everything is Alef to Tav. But Shabbat, Musaf, especially Musaf, is Tav to Alef. Because the special Tefillah of Shabbat is Musaf. That's something that they don't have. It's only because of Shabbat. Now, the Kedusha of Shabbat, I then blessed him and made it holy. It comes from Shamayim to earth. Therefore, that's the Tefillah Kanta. Start from Tav to Alef. Tav to Alef is a symbolic of coming from Shamayim. Kedusha, Bracha, blessing of Shabbat comes from heaven to earth. Here also, we are saying, everything Hashem is dealing with us. All of the troubles, everything that Shamayim is dealing with us, we got no korach. We are being destroyed. Please have Rahmanut on your nation because we are being wiped out. Nothing left from us. Have Rahmanut on us. Because the way that is being dealt with us, such a harsh and of course, we are responsible, we sin. But, like somebody is saying, I know that I sinned, I know. But Hashem, nothing is left from us. If you don't have Rahman on us, that nation would be destroyed. Therefore, through that, we are trying to meet all the Racham of Hashem, through that side from Tav to Alef. Therefore, we are coming before Tefilla of Rachum, that we're going to say on Monday and Thursday, we are coming to Zechut. One Zechut of Anshemuna, the great people that we had, we lost them. We just rely on you. The other thing is the technicality that we are being destroyed. Once we are being destroyed, we understand and realize that all our hatzal is from you because we got nothing else, nothing remains from us. If somebody lost some money and he has some other investment, okay, he feels okay, nothing happens. But somebody lost everything and got nothing, then he screams harder. The point comes from the inner part of it. He understands that without you, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, having mercy, and we have Rahmanut on us, we can make it. Therefore, through that, we try to be mit or Rahman of Shamayim, that HaKadosh Baruch Hu should have mercy upon us.